Do not go into revenge trading mode. Welcome to the Crypto Lab. My name is Sifu Wong. Today we are going to talk about a topic, how you're going to control your psychology in crypto trading. As usual, I'm going to break it down into a few points in order for me to brief you how you're going to control your emotions during your crypto trading journey. So number one, let's try to understand what actually causes FOMO or emotional swing right here, or emotional triggers in crypto trading. Crypto markets are super volatile, especially when you come to those big swings in the market. It can actually lead to FOMO. Now, what is FOMO? Is basically a short term called fear of missing out. When the market are too volatile due to all this dump and pump over there in the market, and when you go inside there, you are going to fall in the trap. Because this is what are all the smart monies intended to do, to create this emotional swing that causes all the traders to panic and FOMO in the market. So try to avoid all this FOMO feeling right here. And as what the saying goes, do not try to catch a falling knife, because as the knife is falling and you try to catch it, then you are going to hurt yourself. Number two, in order for you to avoid to have all this FOMO feeling right here, you need to have a trading plan. A trading plan will help you to stay disciplined throughout your trading journey rather than panicking and enter the market in a panic mode. So set your trading plan correctly, follow your strategy or follow your plan accordingly so you can avoid all this FOMO feeling to enter the market at the wrong timing. Number three, you need to develop discipline as well at the very same time. Apart from having a very good strategy or trading plan, you need to stay disciplined. So how to stay disciplined is actually pretty simple. Avoid revenge trading. What is revenge trading? Say, for example, is that you probably has lost a trade, and in order for you to break even, to make back what you have lost, you probably increase your trading size or margin size right here, that eventually will cause you more stress, and you might actually go into the loop of FOMO again. So in order for you to avoid all these emotional tradings right here, apart from having a good strategy and also a trading plan, you need to train yourself to be disciplined as well by avoiding revenge trading. Manage your risk and reduce emotional stress. How to do that is basically very simple. Always remember, never invest or trade more than you can afford to lose. Only prepare whatever amount that you feel comfortable. It is not a life-changing money that you can afford to lose. Yes, only using that. So apart from having the funds that you can afford to lose, you will also need to have this control of your sizing as well. Do not overtrade. If you are not comfortable to play or trade with the high leverage trading, you might need to reduce your leverage so that you don't overtrade your lot size. So the appropriate percentages that I always use is that probably you might need to consider use only 1 to 2% based on your wallet size. So each and every time when you open a trade, that size amount, it has to be around 1 to 2% from your wallet size to control you from over trading. And also, never put all your eggs in one basket. Try to diversify your investment to have more pairs for you to trade, so that probably you might be on a drawdown on certain pairs, but you are gaining on certain pairs, other pairs as well. So you try not to put everything inside one basket, where if this basket is gone or this trade is gone to drain, then everything will gone to drain. All right, you get what I mean? Last but not least, point number 5, we are going to have to talk about this mindset change in trading. So when it comes to trading, right, you need to avoid to have this perspective or the view as a gambler. You cannot afford to have this gambling mindset, of course. All right, so you need to shift your mindset that you wanted to become a trader. So what's the difference between a gambler and a trader? Is always been, as I mentioned from my previous videos, a gambler is someone who don't have any probability. So you just put on your bet on the betting table, hoping that you will not lose, hoping that you will win. So there's nothing to support it. So a trader, you need to depend on your chart. As long as you don't have any confirmations, you don't enter a trade. So on this last part here, we would like to talk about how you can actually shift this mindset for a long-term success. So the mindset they need to shift right here is always remember that this is not a get rich quick scheme. We are not trying to hit a trade and get rich immediately right after that, then we exit and we don't trade at all. So that is not what we want. What we want right here is a consistent win throughout a longer period of time. So in order for you to stay to that consistent win, you need to make sure to have a few things in mind first, like what we have previously briefed in the previous few points, like such as you need to have a very good trading plan. You need to stay consistent by staying persistent and also disciplined. You also need to control your mindset. Don't try not to have this gambling mindset and revenge trading. With all this in place, hopefully it can help you to control your mindset. Trading is a lonely journey. All right. So you cannot afford to like a one hit wonder kind of thing. You hit a trade that's profitable and that's it. That's the end of the story. Okay. So you wanted to go for the long term where you try to have this consistent win and at the very same time compound your wallet through time. One last advice to you, as I always mention to my community, do not afraid of losing a trade, but be afraid of not winning enough. Because most of the time when we have lost a single trade, we might tend to feel a bit frustrated, and this is what caused us to have this revenge trading mindset that came across our mind. Because hey, we are human after all, right? So do not go into revenge trading mode. Okay, don't revenge it. If you lost a trade, be it fine and move on. Okay, so you wanted to have a consistent winning. Look at the bigger picture. Don't look at just a small short-term losses right here. Bottom line is keep on trading, all right? Maintain to your strategy and also your trading plan. Stay consistent, stay disciplined. You will get there at the end of the day. So if you like this video, please remember to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out anything important. And also do not forget to sign up for your new BitUnix account as well, the best exchange that you can trade cryptocurrency. Head on to the description area below, sign up for your new BitUnix account, send your user ID to my Telegram where I'm going to add you to our community where you can enjoy the support from the community and also gain massively together with us. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Until we see each other again in the next video.